This is going to be a short video tutorial on some of the basic math functions that we can do in Excel. Now, often I harp on students, I say it's important to know the symbols, it's important to know the words that are involved in math, and we don't always recognize that. We don't always see the importance of it because we don't always see the importance in daily life. Excel is an area where the symbols help us out, having the knowledge of the words help us out. So if we're creating any function, the two common ways of doing this, we can hit the function button, and if I know the words that I want to use, if I know that sum is the addition of numbers in a range of cells, I can hit sum. Let's hit sum, and let's see, the number 1 I want to use is 8 and 5. So it's going to give me the sum of 8 and 5. 13. Now the other way to do this, and this is the way I prefer now that I'm playing with Excel a little bit more, I'm getting a little faster. I'm going to hit the function button, 8 plus 5, and it's going to give me the same response. Pretty cool. We can do the same thing with division. Function 8 divided by 2. It's important we know what the division symbol looks like. There we go. We can do the same thing over here with multiplication. Multiplication symbol is a little bit different in Excel than maybe what we're used to in class. It's not the standard X. Oh, forgot the function button. Function 8 times 2. 16. One more time with subtraction. Now, knowing the terms is important. Returns the difference. So in this case, subtraction, is going to give us the difference. So you need to know what the word difference means, and this will help you out. Let's try this formula out, this function out, and see what happens. Function, we'll say 8 and 3, and it worked for us. Alright, so these are pretty helpful. Now we can add numbers in a variety of ways if we have numbers in cells. I'm going to scoot over here just a little bit. We have some numbers in cells. 3, 5, 6, 9. 8, 4, 5, 4. We can create a formula that references the cells. So I'm going to hit the equals button. This is going to give, that's my function button as well. So let's say I want to multiply these two cells. I can either write down cell F1 and G4. Let me do that again. Right now I said it equals F1, and that's exactly what it did. It did what I asked of it. Let's go back to this. I want it to add the two, though. Or let's say multiply the two. F1 and G1. It's going to give me 12. 3 times 4 is 12. I can drag that down. It's going to apply it to all of these. Very convenient. Now, let's say I want to add up all of these numbers here. I can click on here, pull up. And I think the easiest thing to do is hit the AutoSum button. So go home, and we have AutoSum. Alright, well, that's playing around with some of the functions, making life a little bit easier for us in the next video. Next couple of videos, we're going to learn how to use these functions in a little bit more of a real-world situation. Alright, well, thank you for watching.